Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow or deny app permission to access your photo, media, and other files on your Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or other Android-based phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And then you want to scroll down on this page until you get to the area that says Security and Privacy and select it. And then you want to scroll down again underneath Privacy, select Privacy Controls, and then select the Permission Manager tile up at the top. And then you want to scroll down where it says Photos and Videos, and you want to select that. And any apps in here you want to either allow or deny this permission access for, go ahead and select them. And then you would be able to select allow all, allow limited access, or not allow entirely. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.